The new COVID-19 boosters are expected to be available in Texas this week. The local public health district in Corpus Christi says they are confirmed to receive the new booster that is supposed to better protect against the Omicron variant.
Healthcare providers at senior living communities are also on standby. Our Bill Churchwell reports.
A Mirador senior living community. Masks remain a vital safeguard. So the first thing you do when you walk in, you have to check in.
Yes, every employee, every visitor will have to sign in.
Take us through this.
It's going to ask you what visitor type you are. Check my temperature.
So it actually takes your temperature on the screen here.
It does. So this camera has a temperature sensor and it'll be able to tell what your temperature is just by a quick snapshot.
That's great. Joshua Lawrence is the healthcare administrator at Mirador.
Our residents are at an increased risk for any kind of communicable disease. Overall, it's the most important thing they can do to stay boosted, stay vaccinated.
Whether that is protection against COVID-19 or the flu. In fact, Joshua tells me they just received a shipment of flu vaccines and will be having a clinic, and not just for the residents.
We also offer their families. So no sense in them being vaccinated if their families can also be at risk.
He plans to do the same when the new COVID-19 boosters become available.
It's still here. It has not gone away.
Belinda Granados is the immunization program manager for the public health district and says as soon as they get that shipment, they'll offer them to the public.
We are just waiting on it. We usually get a confirmation the day before.
I think everybody recognizes it. They're not 100% effective, but they are 100% effective in reducing the risk of ending up in the hospital.
Dr. Dante Gonzalez knows all too well the risks.
At the beginning of the pandemic, we received the first shot, which only had one variant. Now this one's going to include two variants. What that does is going to not only help the younger population, but also going to help the older population.
You can get yours as long as it's been 2 months since your last COVID shot. At Mirador, Joshua says all employees are fully vaccinated, and many of the residents are too, but it ultimately remains their choice. He believes the new booster will provide another line of defense.
Omicron specific variants being so communicable, it's really going to help reduce that transmission.
Bill Churchwell, 3 News.